A very good morning to all. In our next class of factorization, we will be dealing with difference of two squares. Like if any algebraic expression is given in such a way that the numbers or the terms appear to be a perfect square, then how we are going to calculate the difference between these two squares and how we are going to get the factors. Okay, so here, as you have already studied about the different identities in special product and expansion. So one of the identity was a square minus b square, such that we consider a as one number and b as the second number. And if we are just subtracting the square of these two numbers, then we can simply have one identity, that is a square minus b square is equals to, in one bracket, a plus b, and in other, a minus b. That means if we are having a perfect square, then we can get the numbers and then we can have the addition of one number in first bracket and then the subtraction of other number in second bracket. So we are going to solve some of the examples by using the same identity. Kindly focus and pay attention to it. Hope this will clear your doubts regarding the difference of two squares. So the first example is to factorize 1 minus 36a square upon 49. So we know 1 can be written as 1 square minus 36 is the square of 6. So we can have 6 and a square means a. So if we are wholly just squaring it, that means if 6 multiplied 2 times we get 36, a multiplied 2 times we get a square. So we can write 36a square as 6a to the whole square upon 49. Yes, it's 7 square. So we just break the number into its squaring number. That is 49 is the square of 7. So we have written 49 as 7 square. 36 is the square of 6, that we have written 6 square. Is that clear? Now what we have? We have 1 square minus, we can write 6a upon 7 whole square. Whole square, because if numerator is square, denominator is squared, then we can write it wholly as a fraction and whole to the power 2. Now this we consider at a square and this we consider it as b square. Now by using the same identity, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. We have a as 1 plus b as 6a upon 7 in one bracket, then a minus b, a as 1 minus 6a upon 7. So this is how we have to factorize when the two squares are given and when we have to calculate the difference of these two squares. Now the second example is x square minus y plus z square. So we have x square and the difference and the second term y plus z square. So this we are considering it as a square and this whole as b square, because we have to calculate the difference, no? So we have to consider the digit or the number before the difference as a and just after the difference as b. So again using the same identity, a plus b. A is x plus this b whole is y plus z. Okay. And the other in the same bracket multiplied by x minus b is y plus z. Okay. So x plus y plus z and x minus y plus z is the factorized factors of x square minus y plus z. We can further solve it as, we can further write it as x plus y plus z and the other number which was x minus y plus z, this can be further written as, the first was x plus y plus z and this can be further written as x minus y minus z. We have just opened this bracket. Is that clear? Now next is 168 square minus 132. Now again considering it as a square and this as b square. And following the same identity, a plus b multiplied by a minus b. That means we will have a plus b as 168 plus 132 and a minus b as 168 minus 132. So this we will have as 8 plus 2, 10, 6 plus 3, 9, 10, and this is 300 as the result of this sum. And then 168 minus 132, this will give you 8 minus 2, 6, 6 minus 3, 3. So 300 into 36. And what the answer you are going to get is 36 into 300. What will be the answer? 10,800. So this is how we are going to get the value. Simply in this exercise, what you have to do, you have to simply learn one identity that is related to the difference of the two square, that is a square minus b square, which on expansion will give you a plus b as one factor and a minus b as the other. Do solve the given terms and get the answer. The last question we are going to deal here is find the value of 6.4 into 6.4. So this whole can be written as when a number is multiplied 2 times, that means that can be written as a power of 2. Okay. This can be written as 6.4 to the whole square minus this can be written as 3.6 to the whole square and then upon 6.4 minus 3.6. Okay. So this was 6.4 whole square minus 3.6 whole square upon 6.4 minus 3.6. Now this a square minus b square, this can be written as 6.4 3.6, that is a plus b, and 6.4 minus 3.6, that is a minus b, upon 6.4 minus 3.6. Now see, this whole is similar to this, so we can cancel it out and we are left with 6.4 plus 3.6, which on solution will give you 4 plus 6, 10, and this is 10.0. Hence 10.0 or 10 will be the answer. Okay. Now I have given you the PDF as well. Some of the problems are solved in the PDF. Kindly just understand the problem and write it in your copy and do try the rest question of the related exercise. Hope this video have cleared your doubts regarding the difference of square. Kindly use the identity, that is a square minus b square, which on expansion will give you a plus b and a minus b. Thank you.